Mike Hughes here. I'm looking at the Ikelite housings, and they have a new housing for the Canon R. They're a little longer lenses than before, so they're very light sensitive. So brand new housings developed for the Canon R. As you can see here, there's several models of housings that they have that you can look at here. Also, I just want to point out, besides the new camera housings that are coming out, their ambassador program with all the different photos that people send in to Ikelite, and you can see there's some real beautiful pictures, and I just had to pass through them real quickly to get some of them in. And then we have some more over here. I'll just pass it over on the very side. This is a real cool of the crocodile close up. Anyway, you can see the endless possibilities that you can do with one of the Ikelite housings around your Canon R as well.